Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla Bakhmi ya Tnat Bording Abu Tahir Mandal haka khandai tarik ulber arajar afsan ula pintip ba kapisa ka bakot sanspa 100% Klur on habban Siew depno shaka Ntpc haswa jong usnam arajar arpenriu arajar arpenyo habakaran shekilat pathai khubor mandal ulaong ba kapisa boro ka bahabban Siew shaka Ntpc kalong kumban riuspa ribsau Klur bad da ka jingsim kya jong menteri rangba ubala ra ya kanika kam shaka Ministry of Power bad ka Ntpc haka bala batha ban Siew no sanspa ribsan Klur bad ka Ntpc kala menjur ban pha Siew no khendiat kum ka installment basis Ulaong bakat kum ka jekaran bat ka Tnat Bording kan hap Siew manlo banai khatsan panyo Klur bat shwa usnam arajar arpenrio arpenyo baro kijing Siew deban pen khullut.
You must be aware that under tremendous strain, but we are working. There are a lot of steps have been taken by the corporation, and on that basis it is worked on. Lots of dues are to be cleared also for other utilities also. But as per distribution utilities concerned, I told you earlier also that except Ntpc, all other utilities are not having any dues at present with us. So we are improving, but we need some more time to neutralize everything. Ntpc is something like that. The total amount was around 664 crore. Then we had some negotiation with them and got a rebate because of the insistence of our Honorable Chief Minister, who took the matter with the Ministry of Power and Ntpc. And that was a very big respite for us. And then it came down to 565 crore. This Ntpc agreed on installment basis, and we are paying on installment basis. Every month we are paying around 15.7 crore. And by 2026-27, I think all dues will be cleared. We are regularly taking power, and all this present power dues are cleared. It is around 119 crore, no? Of which the rebate will be around 25 crores. So remaining we will get.
Who will be the beneficiaries?
Beneficiary we have targeted the how I'll tell it is the bottom category. That means still 5 kilowatt load capacity, not beyond that. So if you think on that basis, yes, it is a loss, because if the bills were paid at that particular point of time, we need not lose that amount. But we feel that this category consumers should get some respect. That's why MECL has taken that pain to give this opportunity to the consumers.
What? So how's the response and how many people have come forward to?
As of now, we don't have records, but that day when we launched, there were many people lining up. So it seems that it will pick up with time.
Sir, are there these people general public or companies or business establishment?
5 kilowatt, whoever is there below. And it is for domestic consumers.
So is it
not for commercial?
Is it across the states and
it is from the entire divisions of the MECL.
Okay, it's below 5 kilowatt.
It is below 5 kilowatt.